Paul, yes. Just considering that legal definition of the practice of law. Yeah. When you issue court orders known as the completion of legal documents, yes, without the signature of the petitioner, yes. And then it goes on to explain the negotiation of legal rights or responsibilities on behalf of another party or persons, yes. Exceptions and inclusions, whether or not they constitute the practice of law, the following are permitted. Practicing law. Ooh, authorized limited license to practice pursuant to the admission to practice rules number 8. Serving as a courthouse facilitator pursuant to court rules? Yes. Acting as a lay representative authorized by administrative agencies or tribunals? Yes. Why don't you give me those court facilitators as well as all the employees that approved? Oh my gosh, emergency and approved. I just wanted to know who they are and how it is that they get to practice law. Pooch. Then there's a number 6, providing assistance to another to complete a form provided by a court for protection order under RCW Chapter 10.14, harassment. Yes. Or 26.50, domestic violence prevention, when no fee is charged to do so. And I put a little verified right there. Oh, look it's a triangle. It's the family. Now, of all the court forms where it's not Heidi's actual signature, Georgia, all the forgeries of the ex officio Superior Court clerk. When Heidi didn't acknowledge the court order, I just wanted to know how many facilitators are those that are authorized by the court, yes, to help her fill out these different forms. Ouch! Ouch! Now, you would have thought that in 2011, when I looked at the actual handwriting of what was written, yes, it wasn't Heidi's handwriting. It's almost as if somebody from Healthy Families took it upon themselves to write an explanation of why I needed treatment and, no, I needed mental health evaluation and treatment if recommended. Pooch. Is there anybody been filling out court forms that is not allowed to practice law because they're not a facilitator or one of these administrators in any court? Yes, yes, yes. Now, I know this helping somebody fill out court forms pursuant of domestic violence laws. Yes, yes. Of all the protection orders that you issued, all the temporary orders, yes. All the permanent protection orders, yes. The dissolution of marriage, did Heidi fill all that out or did she go through welfare? Now, it's a per se dissolution of marriage, isn't it? Yes. I'm going to need to know every individual that helped her fill out every court form. And then I'm going to want to sue any and all individuals in this state or any state of the United States that actually do not have the legal right to practice law because they're not a facilitator. No, they're not. They don't belong to a bar association. Isn't that right, Healthy? Pooch. And the whole concept of issuing a court order where it's not her signature, it's because she wasn't there. Not her handwriting when it was filled out. Pooch. Exactly what individual's practicing law in the state of fucking Washington right now? I'm going to sue you today. Pooch, I like to use the court system. Seems like somebody just got upset. Oh, well, look at all the different handwriting on all the different...